Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, are you waiting for me for a new edition with a lot of different kind of Sudokus? Yes, we have here a lot of Sudokus puzzles to solve in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 11th, 2021. We have here today three regular Sudokus. Sudoku number one is a binary Sudoku. Number two is a medium Sudoku. Number three is a regular killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So three regular Sudokus, and in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6 or 7. I do not know. We will see, but I believe one, two, six, and 3 of them I will solve. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one. The first one is a regular binary puzzle. Number 3226. 3226. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's in 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, there no. 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 Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, then O. Now we have 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1. No. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second a 1, the third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, the second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Yeah. And now. And that's the question. No. Let me think. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 5, the fifth O there, the other side, then we still have 3 1s in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Now we have a double 1 here, so here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s. If I place number 5, the fifth 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. Just like the same situation as before. So I cannot place a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. A double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright. Great. Binary. Yes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.